Hello! So today I'm gonna show you how to delete your XM account. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, let's go ahead and open our XM app. I'm currently using the test account, but it will still work the same. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner. And then, tap on settings. And here as you can see, there is no option for deleting your account. So currently, the only way to delete your account is to write an email to XM support about deleting your account. So let's go ahead and open up our Gmail or any email account that you have. And then all we need to do is compose a new email. In here, type support@xmglobal.com. And in subject, type deletion of account. And then compose a simple letter about deleting your account. And here it is. You can copy this if you want. Just change the name and the Gmail. Once you're done, just hit send. Then just wait for the email to proceed your account deletion. So I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.